Hi everyone. So I have another haul for you. I know, how crazy is that? So this haul isn't as big. This is just from Christina from Redefined Kreative and the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. So I went to Creativation with her in January, and part of the perks of Creativation is that we got to see like all the things that we wanted. And then after we got home, she kind of started a little like cubby for me and started putting stuff in that I wanted. And before June started, I sent her a message and I said, send me everything in my cubby because I wanted to have lots of new goodies to play with during the spending freeze. And actually, I'm just not planning on being... I'm not buying a lot during the summer. I'm pretty much just getting the things I need for design teams and calling it a day. Okay, so let's see what I got. I got this. This is Altenews new embossing paste. I'm super duper excited to try this because it looks really fun and it's a really nice consistency. You know how much I love like embossing paste or any kind of texture paste that is like icing, where it's like really soft and smushy and whipped up. And this stuff looks like that, so just see how that works. And this jar is really nice and big, so this will last a good long time. This was not part of, Creativation or anything. This is just something Christina keeps in her shop. It is purple tape, and you know how much I love my purple tape, and I'm running low. So I got the thinner one. They have a thicker one and a thinner one. This is my thin one. It's almost out, and then I just got a new roll of thick one. Of the thin one. These are two, I know you guys are going to laugh at me so bad, but this is chipboard. Indeed, it is chipboard. So this is from Becky Flack and Project Life. This is called Project 52 Daring. And these are chipboard stickers. But look how cute they are. And I've actually gotten Project Life stickers, chipboard stickers before, and I actually don't mind them. I like them. But I thought for my boys, they would be really fun. I love the colors. Great colors for boys. Great icons for summer. Really cute. And then there's also a die cut shapes pack. So I'm going to have to kind of be creative with paper. But I thought this was just a really fun collection. My love gets behind me and I said I would have to get creative with paper. And he said, isn't that just scrapbooking? And you know how much I've been loving the copper. So this has copper foil elements on it. So there's those two things. And then I got the entire collection of Indigo and Ivy. And the reason that I tend to, this is technically my May Secret Not Secret kit, like my kit. And I like to get, when I want a collection and I want everything in it, I like to get it from Christina. And the reason is because she collaborates with some other companies, and she always adds like little goodies when you get the whole collection. So if you buy a whole collection of something from her, you're going to get everything in the collection. You're going to get it all at once, so you don't have to keep going back into the store if some pieces are on back order or, something like that. And I usually get 3 collections a year. So far this year I've gotten Sparkle City and this one from her. And then the rest I'll get bits and pieces or get it, something. But anyway, full collections. And then she always adds these cute little extras, right? So the extras with Indigo and Ivy is one of those is this really delicate, really fun little wood veneer piece. She always does, with most collections, she'll do an exclusive sequin mix with Spiga Mom scraps. And you know how I feel about my sequins. So this is like, look how beautiful that is. It's gorgeous. And then in this one, she sent me. So she, if you order a full collection from her, she gives you like a little bit of a discount, but then she adds all this extra stuff into it. So it's really worth it. These are Nuvo Stone Drops. I am super curious to try them. I'm also a little scared because me and Nuvo Drops kind of have a love-hate relationship. So we'll just have to see how that works. But I love this color. It's really pretty. Okay. So here is the 6x6 papers. See if I can get in here quick. I'll flick through them for you. Maybe not. One second. This will give you an idea of this collection. This collection is gorgeous. It is everything. I just love it. It's so pretty. So there's 2 of every paper. We have some Indigo and Ivy puffy stickers. Love these puffy stickers. These are foam thickers, which means they will stick. They're a pretty, pretty blue color. Really, really like those. These are phrases and expressions. And look, more chipboard. Ah! Anyway, that's okay. That's okay. Maybe I'll come to embrace the chipboard. But I love these acetate pieces. Those are really cute. We have the ephemera pack. This is going to be a really small unboxing or haul video because I just did a huge giant one earlier this week. So there's all the little things. I find frames challenging, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with the frames. I do find them to be a bit challenging. But the rest of it, gorgeous. Rub-ons, which will need to be used immediately, but look at this. This is so cool, guys. Okay, these rub-ons have this awesome feature. They're a little different. Push this up. Push the stick up. So hopefully you can see here, but they layer over each other. So like the circle, you have this, and then you have that, and you can layer them over. You can take some of this and put it over. It's really cool. I am super excited to play with these particular rub-ons because they layer on top of each other, and I think that that's a really awesome look. And then we have just the stickers, cardstock stickers. Gorgeous, beautiful, pretty perfect. And these are all the papers. So we have Indigo and Ivy Vellum. Really pretty. Love those pops of gold in there. This is paper number 1. Hold on, did she? She did. You guys, she put these in order. Okay, so this is paper number 1, and it's a cut apart sheet. And then the back is this really fun kind of like paint swatch pieces. Paper 2 is this beautiful floral. And then the back is this gorgeous wood grain. I think I need to use this side, but at the same time, this is going to be one I cut in half. So I can use some wood grain on a page and then some fussy cut flowers on a page. Paper number 3. This is, look, she did put them in order. This is like a pretty khaki with little diamond shapes. And in the back is these gorgeous, gorgeous watercolor butterflies and these really like neutral fun colors. This one is, this backside is like a lovely burlap thing. As a shout out, so I just was reading some comments on YouTube and someone commented about when they do heritage layouts that they always end up being really, really girly and floral. And I'm going to make a heritage layout with this. So look out for that. I definitely am. And I'm going to do it as a masculine heritage layout because I think this would work perfectly. I can't remember now who it was that sent me that message, but I'm flicking through those papers, and that's what I thought of. I'm like, hey, wait a minute. Someone just left me a comment about doing heritage layouts, and they'll always end up with tons of flowers on them. I could do a heritage layout with no flowers using this collection. Huh. Okay, this is really pretty. Back to the fun stuff, right? Okay, this is paper number 5. This is a really pretty floral, and then the back is this gorgeous peach. FYI, this collection has that peach feel. Remember I was talking about how much I'm into that peach and coral and orangey, and yes, this has some of that in it, a lot of it in it actually. Paper number 6, beautiful vintage kind of neutral color on the back, and then this gorgeous navy blue stripe. Paper number 7, this one looks like denim, really cool denim kind of pattern. And then the back is this wood grain that I love. I love the wood grains in this. I love how this is like a really lighter, a brighter take. It's really similar to Auburn Lane, but not, if that makes sense. And I love it. Okay, this is a gorgeous like parquet floor because Auburn Lane was my very favorite collection from last year. So this is paper number 8. I'm sorry, I'm a little chatty today, apparently. I love this, like, parquet wood floor kind of look. This is really, really cool. And then the back is, again, that, like, peachy, pinky color. This one is beautiful. This would make such an awesome background for a page, but I don't know what the other side looks like, so I might flip it and go, oh, no, never mind. But for now, I'm thinking this would be a really pretty background. The back is, like, this, like, textured paper with the little leaves, and, yeah, I'm okay not using that side, so this can definitely be a fun background. Paper number 10 are these beautiful leaves. I love this pattern, and I think I might need to fussy cut some of these because I just think it's beautiful. And then the back is, again, I love this collection because all the papers have this like texture almost built into them, and it's beautiful. And this is no exception. It has this like linen-y texture. Really cute. Paper number 11. This is like an Art Deco paper. That's what it reminds me of. It's really dark. I can only use it in small amounts. But it's like this Art Deco paper. And then the back is like so pretty. I love this back. It reminds me of like old like lace or satin or like velvety kind of sheen. Really pretty. And paper number 12. So this is the last Indigo and Ivy paper, and this is a really beautiful kind of ombre green background that I love. And then the back is this beautiful stripe that has the entire color family in the collection. So that is Indigo and Ivy. I'm really excited to like start playing with it, get my hands in it, and have fun. And then, oop, got it? Okay. And yes, this is a lovely, lovely collection. And like I said, I love that Christina gives you these extras when you order a whole collection like that from her. Just a couple of little coordinating things that are lovely. The last thing that was in my box was a couple of goodies from Jane Davenport. I had so much fun meeting her at Creativation. She was so much fun. And so what I got was, I got both of the package of color sticks. This one is called Silky Skin. This one is called Soul Window. These are, well, I'll just read it. It says, color sticks are a smooth, easily blendable, water-soluble, non-toxic gel crayon you can use on multiple surfaces. So, it's along the lines of maybe an art crayon from Vicki Boutin or a distress crayon, but it's a little bit smoother and a little bit silkier. It goes on just a little bit better. And, yeah, the price point on these was really good too. So you got like all these colors and they're beautiful. And the other thing I got, okay, so this is called the Matchmaker set. This is acrylic paint, but it's acrylic paint that is in like flesh tones. And this is like the coolest thing ever. She demoed this. I was sitting at her table. I was right up front. And it was towards the end of the day when there wasn't a lot of people. And I think it was like me and her, me, Jane Davenport, and I think one more person. And she was showing how to use this. And I thought it was like the coolest thing ever. You can get the most beautiful, like, flesh tones. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm not a drawer. This kind of made me want to be, though. But what I want to try to do is I want to try to do something with some of my stamps. That's kind of my idea. So, all right, that's it for this haul. And I will see you all again very soon with some more projects. I'll talk to you later. Bye.